In this video, we are unboxing and demonstrating a diesel injector and seat bore cleaning kit on a 2011 Land Rover Discovery 4. This tool set is mainly used for injector removal, replacement and maintenance. To clean the injector seat bore and the injector body, carbon deposits and varnish inside the high pressure fuel passages. Oil residue, rust and contaminants. It helps ensure proper sealing after installing a new injector and proper fuel atomization to avoid fuel leakage, power loss and increased fuel consumption. Next is an introduction to each component and its function. Non-slip handle with quick release magnetic connector. Extended extension bar with quick release magnetic connector. Flexible extended extension bar with quick release magnetic connector. Flexible long brush with loop handle, dedicated fine hole cleaning tool for injectors. The flexible spring brush body can be bent, can easily pass through narrow and curved injector passages, high pressure fuel channels and micro spray holes. Through rotating, pushing and pulling, it cleans carbon deposits inside the injector holes. And blocked micro spray holes restore injector atomization performance. Also can be used to clean small engine fuel passages and coolant passages. These 6 are port sealing plugs. This is the insertion rod. Combine them. Used during cleaning operations to block the corresponding coolant and fuel ports of the injector, preventing debris from falling into the engine and causing blockage. The white ones are medium, soft, nylon inner bore brushes, fit injector bores with inner diameters of 17mm, 18mm, 19mm, used for cleaning precision sealing surfaces in aluminium cylinder heads. Remove moderate carbon oil residue and deposits. It will not scratch precision surfaces. Costs any sealing issues. The yellow ones are medium hardness copper-coated wire brushes. Fit injector bores with inner diameters of 18mm, 20mm, 25mm. To remove moderate carbon buildup, stubborn carbon varnish, rust, heavy oil deposits, cured, sealant and oxidation. Also can clean external injector oil residue and port carbon buildup. The blue ones are soft nylon brush heads. It's gentle and will not damage the base material. It is used for cleaning precision sealing surfaces inside injector seat bores, aluminum cylinder head bores, injector plastic and rubber sealing areas. Remove light oil residue, dust and deposits. Will not scratch precision sealing surfaces. Avoid affecting injector sealing performance. Next we go through tool assembly and operation. This demonstration vehicle is a Land Rover Discovery 4 Diesel 3 0T. After removing the injector, before cleaning, if there are coolant passages or fuel passages, we select the insertion rod and sealing plugs. After assembly, insert into the corresponding fuel or coolant passages to seal, to prevent debris from falling in. When cleaning the seat bore, we also need to use the handle. Based on the level of carbon buildup, select the appropriate brush and assemble. Then align with the bore. Use a rotating push and pull motion to clean. If during cleaning your hand cannot reach or the tool travel is not enough, you can use the extension bar. This one is for cleaning fine micro holes. The method is the same as before. You can connect a rope or flexible tool. This extension bar works on the same principle as before. If additional length is needed, it can be extended. It can also be bent for extension, allowing multi-angle operation.